I'm Nana, my #1 fan on SistaGirlTuesday, and we are gonna do a restaurant review of this Asian vegan vegetarian spot here in Utah. Are you excited?
Yes, I am, and I'm starving.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is the Vegas roll, I believe. It's deep fried and everything. It's a big bite, but here we go. Wait, I'm gonna try that again. Okay, now that my mouth is now full, it's got tofu in it that's fried. It's got salmon, cucumber, soy salmon, cucumber, rice, and teriyaki sauce.
And you might be able to eat it.
Right, it's a big roll, y'all.
Yeah.
I tasted the first one without soy sauce. Ooh, Nana's get into that bite. Get into it, girl.
Mmm. It even tastes fishy.
See? Vegan sushi, y'all. All right, now I'm getting into my second roll, which is a spicy tuna roll. So soy tuna, sriracha, avocado, cucumber. Hopefully this is smaller. I won't look crazy trying to get this bite. They did that. Ooh, it's spicy. Okay, yes, I ordered a lot of food because I'm not done yet. I got one more thing to try. I got these green beans and baked chicken with sauteed vegetables. Very good, very low key. Nana been eyeing my green beans, so she probably gonna get in here. Okay, we'll be back at the end to give our final thoughts. We gonna get down on this food, right, Nana?
Right.
Period. All right, y'all. So we are here to give our final thoughts after going to, what's it called? Veggie House.
Asian vegan and vegetarian cuisine.
You heard it here, folks. So, Nana, do you want to go first and tell them what you thought?
The spring roll, springy.
Springy.
Big. Okay? The vegetables, I had the tempura rice bowl.
What kind of vegetables did you have?
I had zucchini, carrots, onion, sweet potato. And I'm telling you, I mean, just to get through that, you had to dig to find the rice. And the rice was delicious.
The vegetables were crunchy?
The vegetables, let me tell you, the tempura, light and flaky. When you bite into your vegetables, they're crisp. And just everything is very flavorful. You don't have to add a lot of stuff to anything.
That's true. Now that I think about it, like, we didn't really use the soy sauce.
No.
We just took it home.
We just kind of, yeah.
Speaking of taking it home, y'all, these portions, they don't have kid sizes, lunch sizes, or half size. You need to come starving because you will leave full. Right?
Definitely.
So I will say, so I got 2 different sushi rolls. I got a spicy tuna roll, and then I got a Vegas roll, and then I got a string bean something with the rice.
String beans. Oh my God. When they brought that to the table, I was ready to jump into Janine's plate because I've never smelled vegetables that smell that good when it comes to the table. And they were crunchy green beans.
You know, that is true. And then someone else walked in and they were like, "Ooh, it smells so good in here." We're sitting at a table close to the door, so I knew it was my food. Yes, very good. You can choose to have it with tofu, chicken, or they had some other protein option. And it tastes kind of like the, you know, like that very early vegan Szechuan chicken. That's what it tastes like.
That's right.
And my rolls. First of all, that Vegas roll, so that's the one that had fried tofu in it, and the roll itself was fried. So good. The roll was enormous. Like, I only got a couple bites of my string beans, and then I finished that whole roll, and I was like tapped out. But it was really, really good.
It tasted like, I mean, I've eaten real salmon into sushi. This really tasted good with the fish. It tasted fish, like you had a real fishy roll.
Okay. Yeah, their soy salmon or whatever it was really good. Honestly, you didn't need the soy sauce on any of the rolls. Like, that was just extra.
Learn how to use chopsticks.
Yeah, we're not great with chopsticks and rice. We could be better. But chopsticks and the rolls, we did all right. We did all right.
We did fine.
The spicy tuna roll, definitely spicy. Like, the sriracha was heavy-handed. So if you are not ready or you didn't get a complimentary cup of water, you might want to think about that before you come in here. And like Nana said about the vegetables, very nice and crisp. They came with sauteed green peppers and onions. So that was nice. I pretty much have dinner tonight, and the rolls I could eat whenever, but I'm so full right now. So Nana, the way that we decide if something is good on Sister Girl Tuesday, we say it's popping or not. So I guess you heard it here, folks. Yes, so if you are in Salt Lake City and you're looking for something vegan, vegetarian, come on over because it is poppin'. All right, y'all, thanks for tuning in. You already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit them with the peace sign.